Located in southeast Wisconsin's Walworth County at the northeast edge of Geneva Lake, just west of downtown Lake Geneva, off Highway 50 you will discover Snake Road, Rustic Road 29. This 2.7-mile rustic road, a loop off of Highway 50, is located in the countryside of natural beauty, bounded in some places by split rail fences that wind you past some of the largest estates left on Geneva Lake. You'll find majestic estate entry gates and rolling hills of equestrian farms. In the winter and spring, you can see through the trees all the way to the lake. In the fall, the canopy of color makes this an incredibly popular drive.
Snake Road, Rustic Road 29. Starting from the Lake Geneva end, just off of Highway 50. In the spring, before the leaves have filled out. Looks like we got a ropes course on our left. There is a camp over here, so that's what that's about. You will see some amazingly beautiful horse farms along this stretch. Through in the spring, you can actually see down to the lakefront. In the summer, you wouldn't be able to see through the trees. So not only twisty road, but we got up and down as well. Looks like a golf course to my right is actually horse farm. Be aware, people do walk this road because they live out here. And it's not like there's sidewalks, but they could be walking the lakefront path. of the road here, just a reference point, is the Wood School. I believe this is Wood School. Yes. So if you're looking for the other end starting point, it's Wood School, and that is the end of the Rustic Road. That is Highway 50 right in front of me. So this has been Rustic Road 29, Snake Road, just outside of Lake Geneva. I got Wood School right here, Highway 50 in front of me, and it finally just connects back to Highway 50. So it's a diversion off of Highway 50 for a few minutes. So thanks for coming along on this trip with me, and I'll see you on the next journey. Get on out there. This is an incredibly popular road in the fall. The fall colors down here can be just overwhelming, and this road really shows it off, and it kind of snakes through. A hint, be very careful on those times. I've seen other videos from that time of year, and there are just cars stopped all over the place. So you gotta be very careful. Extra tip, if you wanna come out and see the colors in Lake Geneva, go to South Shore Drive. From Fontana over, it is absolutely gorgeous. It isn't as snaky as this road, but the colors are worth the trip.